Welcome to Aurea Art House. In this portal, artists can easily upload their paintings and present them to a wider audience in a professional way. Let us see how the upload process works. First, the artist logs into the portal using their registered account. After login, they go to the artist dashboard. From here, they select the option Upload New Artwork. The upload form opens with all the required fields. The artist begins by entering the title of the painting. Next, they add a description of the artwork, explaining the concept, inspiration, or story behind the piece. Then they choose the appropriate category, subcategory, and other artwork details. Then enter subject, year of creation, genre, medium, material, and style. And the dimensions of the painting, including width, height, and depth if applicable. After that, the artist enters the price of the artwork and selects whether the painting is available for sale. If print options are available, they can also enable print settings and provide the related details. Now comes the most important step: uploading the image. The artist clicks on Choose File and selects a clear, high-quality image of the painting from their device. Once selected, the image is displayed in the preview area, allowing the artist to verify that the correct painting has been chosen. The artist may also upload additional images or room mock-up images, depending on the portal options. Next, relevant keywords or tags are entered so that the artwork can be found more easily by visitors and collectors searching on the platform. After reviewing all the entered information, the artist clicks on the Submit button. The portal then saves the artwork details and uploads the image securely to the system. Once the process is completed successfully, a confirmation message appears. The uploaded painting is now available in the artist's artwork list, where it can later be edited, updated, or managed as needed. This simple and guided process makes it easy for artists to showcase their work professionally on Aurea Art House. Thank you for watching.